Hurricane Roof Vacuums, manufactured by Industrial Vacuum of Ixonia, Wisconsin. The roofing contractor's choice for a quick, easy, cost-effective way to remove pea gravel, Irma, or even ballast stone from commercial buildings. The Hurricane, with its powerful and reliable John Deere diesel engine, is easy to operate and maintain. These powerful vacuums have the power to vacuum roof rock at distances up to 1,000 feet. The vacuum quickly discharges the material into a dump truck or dumpster up to 12 feet tall. Setting up a Hurricane on your job site is simple. Set your 4 jack stands. Raise your cyclone separator bag house. Pin your safety struts. Back your dumpster or dump truck underneath the Hurricane. Safely connect your vacuum hose. Set your controls. Engage your PTO, and you're vacuuming. All it takes is 2 men and a dump truck, and you can begin putting money in your pocket. For more information on our Hurricane vacuums or to set up a demonstration, please give us a call at 800-331-4832 or check out our website at www.industrialvacuum.com. Industrial Vacuum has 2 roof vacuum models available: the Hurricane 600E, the 170 horsepower model, and our Hurricane 755, the 225 horsepower vacuum.